Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell shares on Charles Schwab. First, log into your account securely using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Trade tab, which is your gateway to all trading activities. Next, choose the specific account from which you intend to sell your shares. Finally, accurately input the ticker symbol for the stock you wish to sell into the designated field. This ensures you are trading the correct security. After entering the ticker, you'll need to specify your order details. Select Sell as the action for your transaction. Then, clearly state the exact number of shares you wish to sell. You'll also choose an order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Take a moment to review all these details to ensure accuracy before moving forward. Before finalizing your sale, a crucial step is to thoroughly review your transaction. Double-check the stock symbol and the precise quantity of shares you are selling. Confirm that the selected order type, whether it's a market or limit order, is correct, along with any specified price limits. Take a look at the estimated proceeds from your sale. Ensuring all information is accurate at this stage helps prevent any potential errors or unwanted trades. Once you are confident that all details are correct, click the Place Order button to submit your selling request. You will then receive a confirmation number, which is important for your records. After placing the order, the funds from your sale typically settle within 2 business days. It's a good practice to monitor your Charles Schwab account to see the updated cash balance reflecting your successful share sale. Congratulations on completing your transaction.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.